Hey guys, welcome to Sydney Retro MTB. Just thought I would do a little rundown on the Kona Muni-Mula. Yeah, so I got this, oh, hello. What are you doing? Are you checking it out? Sorry everyone, this is Evie. She's the new addition to our family. Little German Shepherd, being very inquisitive, which is all good. Yeah, so got this off the original owner. Kiwi guy brought it over actually from New Zealand to Australia, which is pretty cool. He's had it since day one. And yeah, pretty much all original parts. I've added a new seat onto it and new tyres and new handlebar grips, but apart from that, it is all original, which is pretty cool. So I've spent about maybe good 40 odd hours, maybe 50 hours kind of restoring this back to its original state. So it was pretty rusty in some parts. So obviously I had a few rust baths on the go, polishing and sanding things down, and it's come up really well. Yeah, so I'll just go and run through a few things with you. So we'll start with the gearing, the group set first. So we've got the Grip Shift 600, 7-speed. Then goes down to the STX front mech, STX cranks. We've got an LX rear mech on there. We've got a 7-speed Shimano HG Hyperglide cassette. STX hubs, front and rear. Got some VP pedals. I actually totally sanded them back. They were actually black and pretty rusty, but done a pretty good job of cleaning them up, which is good. Got a Blackburn bottle cage on there. We've got original race light seat post. We've got the race light bars, velocity stem. We've got the Kona Control headset. So this is a 1-inch threaded steerer, obviously with a quilled stem. We've got the Kona original seat clamp. We've got the Kona dog collar on there, which is pretty cool. Mavic 238 rims. And then we go to the braking system. So we've got the curve brakes with the curve hangers on there, and obviously the curve levers, which are pretty sweet. Up front doing the work, we've got the Quadra 21Rs, actually in pretty good condition externally. Internally, I spent about 15 hours taking out the melted and dried out corroded elastomers, so they do actually need a new elastomer set in there, but I know a place over in the States to get them, so that's too easy. And this is a Hoisin BMX saddle from 1984, which I actually had on an old retro bike. I just think it's pretty cool. It's in amazing condition as well, like the colour's so vibrant. Yeah, so I think that's pretty cool. It kind of pops out with a few colours on there, and I got the lightweight foam grips to actually match the colour of the decals. So yeah, there you have it. What do you reckon, Evie? Are you loving it? Huh? Are you loving it? I think she's loving it. I don't know. What do you reckon? Alright guys, thanks ever so much for your time, and catch up soon. See ya.